Hello guys, welcome to the Calculus Starters. In today's video, we can discuss how to solve a pair of simultaneous equations where one is linear and the other one is non-linear. Let's take this example. X squared plus y squared is 29 and y minus x equals 3. So let's label these two equations. The one with the squares, we can label it as the first equation, and the non-linear equation, we can label it as a second equation. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to take the second equation and we're going to modify it with y as the subject of the formula. Then y equals to 3 plus x. That's our third equation. So we got a value for y now with x, so we're gonna substitute that value to the first equation. So let's substitute the value from the third equation to the first equation. Then x squared, instead of y, we're gonna write down 3 plus x squared equals 29. X squared plus 3 squared plus 2 times 3 times x squared is 29. X squared plus 3 squared is 9. 6x plus x squared is 29. So we can see 2x squared, then let's add them together. 2x squared plus, there is only one with x, then 6x plus 9. Let's bring that 29 to the left hand side of the equation. Then it comes there as negative 29 equals 0. 2x squared plus 6x, positive 9, negative 29 is negative 20 equals 0. So we have to find the factors of this quadratic equation. So how would you do that? You have to get 2 times negative 20. What is 2 times negative 20? 2 times negative 20 is simply negative 40. Then let's break down negative 40 into two factors, but if you add them two factors, you're going to get positive 6 as the answer. So negative 40. Let's go negative 10 times positive 4, because if you add them you will get negative 6 as the answer, but you want to get positive 6, so that is wrong. Let's try positive 10 times negative 4. Positive 10 negative 4, you'll get 6. So these are the two factors, positive 10 and negative 4. 2x squared, positive 10, and x, negative 4x, negative 20 is 0. Then 2x squared plus 10x, we can see 2x as the common factor, x plus 5. When it comes to negative 4 and negative 20, you know that negative 4 is the common factor. X plus 5 equals 0. Write down as a multiplication of two factors, 2x minus 4 and x plus 5. So let's factorize this equation. Actually, the factors are given there. Then we can say therefore 2x minus 4 equals 0 and x plus 5 equals 0. Then x is 4 over 2 and x is negative 5. Then we know 4 over 2 is simply 2 and x is negative 5. But as you can see, there are two answers for the x. If there are two answers for the x, that means there are going to be two answers for y as well. What we're going to do now, let's take the first value. When x is 2, we can say from the second equation y minus 2 equals 3, then y is basically 5. When x is negative 5, from the second equation we can say y negative negative 5 is 3. What is y negative negative 5? Y plus 5 is 3, then y is basically 3 minus 5, then 5 is negative 2. So what is the final answer? We can say x is 2 and y is 5, or x is negative 5 and y is negative 2. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.